Hi friends, this week I'm back to unboxing AFVs. I recently got this from a friend who was selling his stash. It's the Japanese Air Defense System Type 87 self-propelled anti-aircraft system from Fujimi. It was developed around the Oerlikon 35mm twin cannon as used on the Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft gun. It's incredible that its predecessor was the US-supplied M42 Duster in the JSF, Japanese Self-Defense Forces. The box contains two Type 87, which is great stuff for me. So you can build two vehicles in one box. You can see that the instruction only comes in Japanese. Nevertheless, the build sequence is self-explanatory and should be easy to follow. The box contains 7 sprues for each of the two models, so there's 14 sprues in total. In sprue A, you will find the bulk of the turret parts and is molded in one piece. It was quite impressive because of the well-molded weld marks around it. B contains parts for the hatches, grills, and suspension arms. And the presence of sharps and detailed weld marks are amazing. Sprue C contains the upper hull. They have very good details on the grills and vents. The anti-skid marks are not overdone and very fine. There are a lot of grab handles, but all are molded on. Sprue D consists mostly of the wheels and tracks. The tracks consist of one piece top and bottom rounds, then one piece wrapping around each idler and sprocket wheels, respectively. The track seems to be a little thick, but it's okay. Sprue E contains the guns. They are molded in one piece, the muzzle brakes are open, which is great, and the details are amazing. It also contains a smoke arrays and a choice between the long early ones or the later short tubes. Sprue F holds parts for the turret, radar bases, and antenna. The command hatches can be open or closed. Sprue G is for the transparent parts. I love the decal sheet. The decal sheet is very generous and colorful. You have a choice of building 23 individual tracks for the 7 different units in the JGSDF.